Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the harmonium. We'll start by getting familiar with your instrument. Understanding the different parts, like the bellows for air and the keys for notes, is crucial. Proper posture and hand positioning are also key for comfortable and efficient playing. We'll cover how to sit correctly and place your hands naturally over the keyboard. Finally, you'll learn basic air pumping techniques to produce a smooth, sustained sound, which is fundamental for any harmonium player. Now that you're comfortable with the basics, let's play your first notes. We'll start with the C major scale, which is an excellent foundation. Focus on pressing each key firmly and producing a clear, distinct sound. Practice playing the scale both upwards and downwards, maintaining a consistent rhythm throughout. This repetition is vital for building finger independence and coordination, preparing you for more complex pieces. Aim for smooth transitions between each note as you progress. With scales under your belt, it's time to explore the world of chords. We'll introduce fundamental three-note chords, like major and minor triads, which are the building blocks of many songs. Focus on pressing the correct keys simultaneously to produce a harmonious sound. Practice transitioning smoothly from one chord to another, ensuring a fluid progression. Then, you can start combining the scales you've learned with these new chords to create your own simple, beautiful melodic phrases, bringing your music to life. Consistent practice is the most important ingredient for mastering the harmonium. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice every day to build muscle memory and refine your technique. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back helps you identify areas needing improvement and track your progress over time. Don't be afraid to explore various musical pieces and styles, as this will broaden your repertoire and enhance your overall musicality. Keep practicing and enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.